Welcome to Cool Guns. Let's check out this SOG Spec Elite I. This is a awesome folding knife that I really like. It has these two nubs for pushing out the blade, and it says SOG Spec Elite on the blade. Has this little notch right here. On the back of it has serrations on the back of the grip, and then also a little bit on the back of the blade. I just have always really liked the look of this knife and blade. And I also love how you fold it back in. You just pull these little knobs and it drops right back in. Awesome knife.